Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. How can you tell if your toilet's flapper needs to be replaced? If you flush the toilet, hold it down for a second, and it only swirls, but doesn't actually flush. That means that you need to change out the flapper. The flapper is that little white piece at the bottom. Here, I'm gonna make it open and close. And it has a little air bubble in it. What it's supposed to do is stay open like this, right here, to let a certain amount of water go down into the toilet. Now, that one worked because I'm holding down the handle the whole time. So I'm on vacation right now. This is not a toilet that I'm gonna fix, thank you very much. But this toilet needs to have that flapper at the very bottom replaced. Well, the good news is we have a workaround. The flapper's not gonna work correctly on its own, but all you need to do is hold the handle down the whole time. Maybe you can count to 10 slowly, and then it will flush correctly. Now let's try it with a 10-second hold down. There you go, much better flush. Is that the best flush I've ever seen? Nope, it is not, but it's a lot better than just doing the swirling. Again, we're down in the heart of Mexico. This toilet does not work well, but the workaround is hold that down for a good 10 seconds. Hey, if it's still only doing the swirl thing, what you need to do is find a plunger and plunge vigorously. Let the water fill up in the bowl, and then plunge about 20 times with a pretty good strength on there. You can watch some of my other videos and I teach you how to do that. In fact, I'll put a link down in the description down below on a good video on how to use that plunger correctly. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. Want to do me a favor? Press a thumbs up on there, helps out a ton. Subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time. Adios.